Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. Stu is back. I have this 2020 Hyundai Santa Fe. It was built on September 2019, but it came out as 2020. Just so you know. Other than that, I'm gonna show you real quick how to do the oil change in this vehicle. Also, where to put the jack so you can lift the car in a safety manner, and then put the jack stand so you support the vehicle in a safety way. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and please, the feedback, put in the comment box for me. And after I do the oil change, I'm gonna teach you how to do the oil life reset in this vehicle also. Alright, so enjoy the video. Holla at your boy Astuo Burum. Hey, but now I'm gonna show you how to do the reset the oil life in this vehicle. Alright, so all you gotta do is press this button. Okay, check the cluster, go down, go service interval, click on it, go reset, click on it, reset time and distance, yes. And that's how you reset the oil life in this vehicle. Hyundai 2019-2020 Santa Fe. Holla at your boy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Alright, catch you up later. Estuvo Burum.